Hey guys, on today's item shop we're looking at some pretty neat things that just came out and some that we've seen from before. So let's start off with this skin right here, which we've seen a couple times before. Now let's move on to some wraps that just came out and an all-time favorite skin that has come out several times from before, which personally I think it's awesome. However, I've seen people wear this when they're trying to hide in Frenzy Farm in the bushes and it just doesn't work. They glow all the time. So it might not be the best to hide with the skin. And of course, to go with that skin, we have the wrap right here at 0 point. Now let's move on to other smaller skins and cheaper skins available right now. Plus a few emotes, including Rainbow Dancer, which is a pretty funny one. An all-time favorite, Steamed. And luckily now we have seen that Loserfruit has moved on into special offers, so that means it's gonna hang on here for quite a bit. So luckily we do have more time in order to win or purchase this skin. Anyways, that would be it for today's item shop. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.